Hello everyone. Welcome back to English is Easy. Today, we are going to learn about adjectives, one of the most important parts of speech in English. By the end of this video, you will know what adjectives are, how to use them, and see many examples. Let's get started. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. A noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. An adjective gives more information about that noun. For example, she has a beautiful dress. Here, beautiful is an adjective that describes the dress. So, adjectives make our sentences more interesting and colorful. Examples: a red apple, a tall building, a happy child, a cold drink. Without adjectives, sentences would be plain. He lives in a house. With adjectives, Joel, he lives in a big white house. Types of adjectives for beginners. 1. Adjectives of quality. Descriptive. Describe the kind or quality of a noun. Example: sweet mango, tall man, smart girl. 2. Adjectives of quantity. Tell us how much. Example: some water, little sugar, enough money. 3. Adjectives of number. Tell us how many. Example: 2 dogs, 5 books, first prize. 4. Demonstrative adjectives. Point out specific things. Example: this pen, that car, these flowers, those shoes. 5. Possessive adjectives show ownership. Example: my bag, your phone, their house. 6. Interrogative adjectives used in questions. Example: which book, what time, whose pen. Position of adjectives. Adjectives usually come before the noun. She is wearing a red dress. Sometimes they come after the verb. The dress is red. Fun examples without adjectives. The dog is running. With adjectives, the big brown dog is running fast. Without adjectives, I ate a cake. With adjectives, I ate a delicious chocolate cake. See the difference? Adjectives make your English more expressive. Quick practice for you. Try to describe these using adjectives. 1. A car. Example: a fast, shiny car. 2. A teacher. 3. The weather today. Write your answers in the comments. Conclusion. So friends, today we learned that adjectives describe nouns or pronouns. They tell us more about quality, quantity, number, ownership, and more. Adjectives make sentences more interesting. Keep practicing, and soon your English will sound more natural and powerful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English is Easy for more simple lessons. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.